Okay, we just started our program and we completed up to here, and we got the code 200 for this website because we were able to get access to this. And if I, for example, change this to something else like this, and you will see that when the domain is not exist or the subdomain is not exist, we get something like this, an error. Okay, let's see. Something like this, request exception connection error. Okay, something like this. That means this URL doesn't exist on internet. So perfect. And now let me come right here. Okay, if I go back, you see this, it looks like the main website. Okay, Metasploit, and we have some subdomain like PHP, my admin, this one, and also this one. Okay, so now of course these are not the subdomain and the real subdomain, but if or it could be a subdomain. Okay, in here we can access PHP admin, in here we could access this one, and in here we could access this one. So if I click here, you see that the URL changes, and this is one of the domain, okay, subdomain for this main URL. And also if I go back here, the second one, you see I access this one, and also for this one I access this one. Okay, so now I can complete the program like this. Okay, now that URL is equal to this one, or I could get the URL. Let me copy this from here, and in here let me paste it, use Control V, and also instead of that, I'm going to just use this part right there. Now if I use Control S and then go back here, let's see if we get code 200 or not. You see that immediately I get response code 200. Okay, that means it is okay. I am able to get access to this part or to this website. And also if we, for example, change this to 1 and save this again, if I came back here, you will see that this doesn't exist and it gives me something like this. Okay, so it is not very good. I have to handle that as well. So we can handle it very easy using try and exception. And let me just try, hit tab, and here I'm going to use except, and you see we have request this error. Okay, so if this happened, let's, come on, don't I have any paste here, so I use Control V. If this happened, then I want to pass. Okay, now let's use it. Okay, I get code 200. I change this to something like this, and this time it passes. Okay, and I get no error. So perfect, we are almost complete, and let's go get the subdomain for this. Okay, let's see if I get to code 200. Okay, so I will see you in the next lecture.